Hello Internet Explorers, today we are talking about ChatGPT 3.5. Yeah, the AI that probably knows more about your own life than you do. You might be wondering, it's the AI is a genius or it's a really good at fucking it. Well, spoiler alert, it's both. In this video, we are break down ChatGPT 3.5 in the simplest way possible. And don't worry, I will throw in some jokes because, let's face it, we all need a little bit comedy to survive these tech explanations. So grab your popcorn, hit that like button, and let's figure out if ChatGPT 3.5 is your next best friend or just a really smart know-it-all. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. ChatGPT 3.5 summarize. So let's know about one more video has been came out, the ChatGPT 3.5 summarize. So let's talk about it. Using ChatGPT 3.5 to summarize. You can use ChatGPT 3 as a personal note taker. It can condense a lot of information into key points. Okay. It presents the information to be summarized. To start, you must present the information to ChatGPT. You can input the text directly or ask ChatGPT to summarize something specific. Like, I'm giving this to the ChatGPT, this type of one prompt, summarize Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare. So this type of one prompt I'm giving to ChatGPT. Let's see which type of one output it will give me. First of all, write ChatGPT and I have already showed you that how to make account in ChatGPT and that all the things. So I did not told you another time. Okay. So I'm writing this type of prompt. So the ChatGPT give me this type of Romeo and Juliet target play, and then it is giving me this content and may violate or user policy that will get a wrong. Please okay. It is saying me this content may be violate or usage policies. Okay. So like that. So the response has been from the in the diagram. The response will become like this: Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare is a tragic play that tells the story of two young lovers from feuding families in a Varanasi. Romeo Montague, Juliet, a Capulet fall deeply in love at first sight. So this type of in the diagram it give me this type of output, and in me it give me this type. It is the same diagram, and this are the same. Okay, not any difference in it. Okay, these are the same. This is same and it is also the same. Now, a good summary of the book. Let's get more specific with it, refine and experiment. The previous example provided a basic summary of Romeo and Juliet, but let's try and ask a few different ways. Now, I'm giving to the ChatGPT this type of prompt: summarize Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare in a single paragraph. So let me see which type of output it will give me. So in the one line, it will give me this type of one output. Romeo is a love story of the variant about two young lovers, say from feuding families in a Verona. Okay, it give me like this type of one output. Okay, like this. In diagram, this is the same output, and here it is also be the same output. Let's see the difference of the diagram and this output. Romeo and Juliet, tragic love, and no, there is not any difference in it. Okay, these are the same. Now, how about from a specific point of view? So I am writing one more prompt: summarize a Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare from Juliet's a point of view. So this type of one summary I am giving to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is giving me from Juliet point of view. Romeo and Juliet is a story of forbidden and passionate love at the defies the few between. This is giving me the romantic summarize, okay, of the Romeo Juliet by William Shakespeare. The name is very hard, so I'm giving the by the John to it. Okay, Romeo and Juliet by the John Dewey from a joyless point of view. It is giving me like a romantic summarize. Okay, here you can see it. The response will become from the ChatGPT look like this in my diagram. Okay, and in the real it give me this type of an output. Let me show you here. These are the different now. Okay, this is different and it is also be different. Okay, these not are same. Or a historical importation of perspective with the following prompt. Summarize Romeo and Juliet by the William Shakespeare by the John Doe based on its historical importance. So I am giving this type of one prompt to the ChatGPT. So let's see which type of output it give me. It is giving me Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare is one of the most important works in the Western literary canon. So let's see in my diagram which type of output give me in my diagram. In my diagram, it is giving me Romeo and Juliet by William Holt Emmons. Okay, these are same. This is same and this will also be same. Okay, there is no difference in the diagram and in my this output. Okay, there is no any type of difference in it. These are same. Okay, but anyways, in today's video, I told you about in the ChatGPT what is summarize, and I hope your concept will be clear about the summarize. And this video is more because in today's video there is not type of one we are not going to the deeper of it, but you can use ChatGPT as a personal note taker. It can condense a lot of information into a key points. Okay, so you can use this for ChatGPT. Okay, so now here you can say it like this. You will be the ChatGPT 3.5 will summarize. Okay, so like that you can use it the ChatGPT, or if you write there summarize code with PK and Ryan by John Doe based on its historical YouTube channel. So let's see which type one summary it give me. So give me, it seems you are asking for a summary of two YouTube channel, Code for PK and Ryan. Yes. So now it is giving me, here you can see it. Now, anyway, Corporate Pig is a YouTube channel focused on the programming and web development, offering a tutorials, guides primarily aim at the beginners and intermediate learners. The channel covers a variety of topics including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other essential technology used in front-end development with a clear and concise teaching style. Corporate Pig helps viewers understand coding concepts through practical examples, often focusing on the building real-world projects and apps that also explore the topics like web design, debugging, and practicing programming. Make it a valuable resource for aspiring developers. As a content creator, Coded PK plays an important role in the education space for adult learning. So this type of an output it give me. So you can see it. So like that you can will be summarized using a ChatGPT 3.5. But anyways, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. So now let me give you the ending of this video in the big screen. So let's go on to our big screen. So that ChatGPT 3.5 is for you. A chatbot that is smart enough to write your essays but still dumb enough to fail a captcha test. If you found this video helpful or just had a good laugh, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, keep chatting, keep learning, and remember your toaster isn't plotting against you. Yet see ya. So for today, goodbye.